Welcome to the next unboxing video. This time we have a small envelope in front of us. This is also a LoRaWAN sensor, and we will take a look inside right away. The whole thing arrives relatively unremarkably in a padded envelope. And when we take a look inside, what do we find? This is indeed an OXON Buttonboard used. What exactly do we have here? This is a LoRa sensor with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different buttons. I have the option to remove the clear cover and replace it with an insert of any design, so that I practically have different options here. Each of these options corresponds to one of these buttons. The whole thing is relatively flat and feels quite well made. And yes, we will have to see how it performs in use when we go into the tests. What I can already see is that these buttons are capacitive. Additionally, these buttons are equipped with LEDs, so you will also receive some feedback here. I also know, of course, that even vibrations are possible, meaning that the person pressing the button here receives feedback either through the LEDs, vibrations, or both, indicating that the button press has been accepted, the message has been sent, and of course that the message has been confirmed by the server, so it comes back. Otherwise, there isn't much more to say about it for now. I am looking forward to testing the device. And we will, of course, make that available as a video again. At this point, all I can do is wish you a lot of fun. Yours, Stefan from Smart Digital Regional. Use end.